Yeah, what's your name?
Misha Foster.
All right. Councils, are we ready on Kamisha Danielle Foster?
Yes.
Okay. Calling case number 2305888-201. People City, Michigan versus Kamisha Danielle Foster. Appearances, please.
Jennifer Douglas for the people, P72748. Good morning, Eric.
All right. Formal reading having been waived, the court will enter not guilty plea on behalf of your client. Argument as the bond, Ms. Douglas.
Your Honor, people asking for a bond of 2,010% with Southern House arrest once this officer is able to make fund for the following reasons. Your Honor, as it's clear from the charges, this happened in the prison, but in the jail.
The CSC happened in the jail, is that correct?
What is that?
The CSC, count 2, happened in the jail?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, go ahead.
The reason we're asking for that bond is because there is a pattern of not following the directions, the lawful commands of the police and assault behavior. I know this is just allegations, but there is another officer from the jail who witnessed it. As far as priors go, Ms. Foster has a 2020 prior for assault and battery out of the 27th district. In 22, she had attempt resisting obstruction of at the 34th district. And then in 2022, she also had attempt police officer refusal to obey traffic order out of the 19th district. So we see a pattern there of refusing to follow the commands of the police, even when there being an injury. Here's the allegations, Your Honor, but it's concerning, one, because it involves alleged sexual assault, and it happened in front of multiple other inmates. We can encourage a lack of following of Your Honor, she is, as far as I can tell from the inmate search, she's in jail for something else still.
And that was going to be my question. What is she on bond? Is she under sentence, or why is she in the jail?
What, I can't tell from the inmate search. I see two other things and they say ordinance. That's all they say is ordinance, and I don't.
I'm here for a probation violation.
Oh.
Okay, that answers that. Okay.
Am I allowed to speak or?
No, you're not allowed to speak.
Okay.
Until you give them permission and or after you speak with your attorney to do so, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead, Ms. Douglas.
Your Honor, so that's why we're asking for the bond of 2,002% to the house first.
All right, Ms. Shad.
My client has convictions. This incident allegedly is from August 21, has a little bit of time to it. She's a lifelong resident. She is currently homeless. She's a high school grad. These are allegations. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt. Now, as far as no contact, allegedly this complaining witness is a guard there, so and Ms. Foster, if she remains in the Wayne County jail, she's not going to be the one to dictate where she is and what she's in. So,
Yeah, I'm sure they make appropriate accommodations
correct.
so that doesn't happen. Yes.
No, she understands no contact with the complaining witness. I am respectfully asking the court to consider GPS tether and house arrest with a $100 10% bond, so she can get credit for time served if she has to wait for longer for her probation.
Okay.
Your Honor, if I could just.
Sure, Ms. Douglas.
If the court caught, she does have prior assaultive. She has the 2020 A and B, the 2022 attempt RNO causing injury. And, well, I guess those are the only assaultive, but those are pretty recent.
Okay, Ms. Scheib, one thing, your client wanted to address the court. Do you want to address your client before she said, may I say something?
Yes, sir. Ms. Foster, this is your attorney speaking. Anything you say right now can and will be used against you. It's part of the record. We're live. We're live on YouTube. The prosecutors are in the room. I would not say anything at all, and that is for your benefit, okay? Just please exercise the right to remain silent. At this time, I don't want you to say anything because it can be used against you.
Okay, do you understand that, Ms. Foster?
I do.
Okay. All right, the court haven't heard argument. What is particularly troubling, this is a felony allegations occurred in the Wayne County Jail.
To be honest, I feel like it's being blown out.
Ma'am,
Because nobody's
you're-
helping me. I don't even know who that lady is. Nobody's helping me. If we were flirting, it was very harmless. It was just a woman. I smacked her on her butt. That's it.
Ms. Foster.
Okay, well, I don't know that attorney, and she's not helping me.
Ms. Foster.
She just sat there and made my entire record look bad. She made my record look bad. She never even stopped to ask why I did anything that I did. She's making me look bad. I smacked a woman on her bottom. That was it. We were flirting. That was it. And you using sexual assault. I've never sexually assaulted anybody in my life, nor have I been. That's a very strong term to use. I've not done anything. I committed one assault in my life because she was abusing a child. I haven't done anything, but she hasn't stopped to ask me about that. You're making me look bad. We were flirting. I didn't even know this was that serious. I had got a 2-week lockdown, and then I was told I had a warrant for my arrest for it. I never harmed that woman. We were in front of a bunch of people. We were flirting. That was it. I know I'm not allowed to touch a guard, so I accepted sitting down for 2 weeks in the lockdown. But I didn't know this was going to give me real time. I didn't harm that woman. I would never harm that woman. I don't know who this attorney is. She never took the time to speak to me. I just spoke to somebody else.
Ms. Foster,
I said what I had to say. Go ahead.
Ms. Foster, let me speak. You spoke to my colleague. We explained to you that we are with the misdemeanor and felony defender's office, that there's a team of us.
You are blowing this way
My
out of
colleague
proportion.
interviewed you, and I
I'm
went
really
on
not
the record with
interested
you.
in
You
anything you
advised
have
of your
to say.
rights and you're told to remain silent.
The judge can talk.
Thank you.
I'm not interested in nothing you have to say. He's making me
okay,
with the.
all right,
I'm sorry. I apologize, but she's making me look bad.
okay. I think you made yourself look bad. Now I want you to listen
Not
now.
really. I'm actually a very good person, but this is making me look bad. Nobody understands what I'm going through.
All right, the court having heard argument and the musings of Ms. Foster, the court is going to set a $50,000 cash surety bond, 10% in this matter, with the following conditions. While this case is pending, Ms. Foster, you're not to have any contact with the complaining witness, Jasmine Chase. You're not to possess, purchase any firearms or any dangerous weapons. Ms. Scheib, I assume this is an unaffordable bond. The reason for the bond is that the court finds that Ms. Foster is not only a danger, is a danger to the community, and given her outburst in court today, and it basically referencing the assault that she refers to as flirting, the court finds that she is a danger to the community, and that's the basis for the cash surety 10% bond. You'll have a bond redetermination hearing September 15th in front of Judge McConicle. You'll have a probable cause conference September 20th in front of Judge King, and a preliminary examination September 26th in front of Judge King. All right, any questions regarding bond conditions and no court date? Okay, Wayne County Jail, can you unmute? All right, do we have anybody else there?
That's it here, sir.
All right, thank you.